Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss in Quantower. And if you want to stop loss, what you're going to do is in the most simple way is go right in the top to enable right here or order panel. And then we go to quantity where we can fill in the lots. Now let's do a lot of 4 for example. And then after that we go down and then we select right here at no SL. That stands for stop loss. We click on that and then we enable it right here. And now what we can do is we can fill in right here with how many ticks he needs to go down. So if you want to do that for 1 tick, you can do that, but we can also do this for 10 ticks. And then we click here and now we enabled right here the stop loss with 10 ticks. So now if we click right here on market buy and we do yes, we created ourselves a stop loss on that position, but right now I'm not using an account in Quantower, so that is why the orders won't fulfill. But right now, if you have an account and connected it with the broker right here, he will create a stop loss on that trade. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.